Kanhun kinuhikai SSA, hapo kalama joka Meghalaya SSA School Association, but ka all Meghalaya SSA Teachers Association, but kumjuru ka all Meghalaya Fort Teachers Association, hanigasngi kalay kundu ya mutrerang ba kajala, ukarat sangma, hakajing don langru menteri katanat puli puti ba lakman ramboy, but kihe sorkar kibapet ya katanat puli puti. Habai keren kinong to kubor na kaleng undong yalam jong ka Meghalaya SSA School Association, uba Aristotle Ulaong, ba ka kanhun ginong hikai kalayit here ya artili kimat ke bakongsan kata pensim tu na sorkar gi school ke bahapa po ka SSA na du kalai poetrik ulber hajar arpenriu bat ban penkiu ya ketulap habai dai berkeni ke kanhun ginong hikai kal ai ke jing songu alor ke jing pediang ke sorkar kimat ki ba ka kanhun kala dawa
SSA teachers in the state of Meghalaya under the banner of Meghalaya SSA School Association Central Body, the All Meghalaya SSA School Teachers Association Central Body, and the All Meghalaya Fort Teachers Association. Today meeting, the Honorable Chief Minister Sir Conrad K. Sangma chaired the meeting in the presence of our Honorable Education Minister Sir Lakman Ramboy, in the presence of the official of the Education Department. So I would like to inform all the SSA teachers in the state of Meghalaya that today's meeting is a very positive meeting. We had a detailed discussion, especially in two key agendas. That number one is taking over of SSA school, or we can say that the government to protect the job security of SSA teachers, and number two, the pay enhancement in the form of pay structure. So the Honorable Chief Minister have made it very clear today that the government will protect the service of all the SSA teachers in the state of Meghalaya. As you are aware that the SSA will be ended by 31st of March 2026. So we are very thankful to the Honorable Chief Minister, to the Honorable Education Minister, that they have made it very clear that the government will protect the service of the SSA teachers as far as our state of Meghalaya is concerned. Number two, regarding the pay enhancement, the Honorable Chief Minister has made it very clear that the pay enhancement of SSA teachers will be in the form of pay scale structure. So the details of today's meeting we will share with all the SSA teachers in a general meeting which we will call very soon. Once we receive the minutes of today's meeting, we will call the general meeting of all the SSA teachers in the entire state of Meghalaya, and we will highlight the discussion of today's meeting in front of all the SSA teachers.
In Minsu, you said
334 schools have given the willingness of hand over the SSA school to the government, and from our community school, from the private aided school, which include the minority school also, 298 schools. So in total, 3,332 schools have submitted their willingness of hand over the management for SSA to the government.